What if I told you that one piece of clothing could instantly transform you from ordinary to extraordinary? That there's a design so powerful, it commands respect the moment you walk into any room? Gentlemen, meet this Senator design, Africa's answer to timeless masculine elegance. Picture this. You're getting ready for that important business meeting, wedding, or cultural event. You want to look sharp, sophisticated, but also honor your heritage. You're tired of the same boring suits that make you blend into the crowd. Sound familiar? I'm here today because, just like you, I was searching for that perfect balance. Something that screams confidence, celebrates culture, and turns heads for all the right reasons. Welcome to Fashion Style Home, where African elegance meets modern masculinity. If you're a man who refuses to compromise on style and wants to make a statement that speaks volumes about your sophistication and cultural pride, you're exactly where you need to be. Today, we're unveiling the top Senator designs for men in 2025, pieces that are redefining what it means to dress with power and purpose. Let me share something with you. Last month, I watched a young entrepreneur walk into a room wearing one of these Senator designs. Within minutes, he had captured everyone's attention, not just because of how he looked, but because of the confidence radiating from him. That's the power of authentic African menswear. Why Senator design is dominating 2025. The modern man doesn't just want to dress well. He wants to dress with meaning. Senator designs offer exactly that. These aren't just clothes. They're statements of cultural pride, markers of sophistication, and symbols of the new African Renaissance. From Lagos boardrooms to London fashion weeks, from Accra weddings to New York galas, Senator wear is becoming the uniform of successful, culturally conscious men worldwide. What makes 2025 Senator design special? Contemporary cuts with traditional essence, tailored to perfection for the modern man's lifestyle. Premium quality fabrics, breathable, durable, and luxurious. Versatile styling, perfect for business, ceremonies, and social events. Cultural authenticity, real African craftsmanship, not imitations. Global appeal, designs that work anywhere in the world. The men choosing Senator designs today aren't just fashion-forward, they're culture-forward. They understand that true style comes from authenticity, not imitation. Now here's what I need you to do. First, smash that like button if you're ready to elevate your style game with authentic African menswear. Second, drop a comment below and tell me, what's the one occasion where you wish you had the perfect Senator outfit? I read every single comment, and I'll personally respond to yours. Third, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification. Fourth, share this video with that one friend who needs to upgrade his wardrobe game. Trust me, he'll thank you later. Remember, gentlemen, you don't just wear Senator designs, you embody them. You become the man who walks with purpose, speaks with authority, and represents excellence wherever you go. The question isn't whether you can afford to invest in quality African menswear. The question is, can you afford not to? Your transformation starts with one decision. Make it today. Until then, keep representing excellence, keep celebrating culture, and keep showing the world what authentic African masculinity looks like. This is Fashion Style Home, where kings are made one outfit at a time.